So this is the height of luxury. A coaching of Thai celebrity TV chef with a Michelin 3-star chef and being fanned by the girls from the kitchen to keep us cool. This is the ultimate cooking class, yeah? Our cooking day. And we buy the ingredients that we're going to cook today, yeah. The heat's really stifling hot and the ingredients are in absolutely perfect condition. Holy basil, sweet basil, coriander. This is one crazy cooking class. Yeah, yes. So no oil. No oil.
Why you toast it?
This is my technique, my recipe.
For the smell, for the flavor.
For the fragrant oil. So that's why no need to use oil. The oil is come from the herb already. No need.
Okay.
And then your coconut milk.
I can smell now, yeah? Good smell. It's very fragrant, yeah.
It's like
What? Oh, you do like that?
yes. This taste good.
Select one.
See that you hear the white? Have to be
Very good. Colour. Curry paste. That was salt? Salt?
Yes.
so.
Again, my technique.
Soy sauce. Fish sauce.
Coconut sugar.
To give thickness.
2 tablespoons, yeah?
เอาไอ้มะเขือมา
No, soy sauce 2 spoon and chip with soy sauce 2 spoon and fish sauce 4 spoon.
So quick, yeah?
หั่นมะพร้าว
Getting hungry? Are you getting hungry?
ซอสมะพร้าวแล้วก็ผ่ากลางเลยพี่
And this is the coconut.
ขอน้ำมะขามเลยพี่
Banana palm.
โคคอนัทชู
Coconut shoot, yeah.
อ่ะเทส ใส่นี่เลยครับ ใส่เลย เทส
Crunchy.
Banana, also banana, you put.
green banana my technique
Like plantain?
yes
Green banana.
Plantain maybe.
Plantain, yeah.
เอาหั่นพริก so here
จานจีนให้ด้วย
Wow. This is fast.
Oh, yeah. Use.
เอาใบไปด้วยค่ะเอามานี่เลยพี่
Chef's flat out. Yeah.
ใบใบโหระพามาเลยค่ะใบนั่นด้วยใบข้าวเปลือกใบนั่นนะใบสุก Now taste again please. Done. เอานี่นะ
Basil.
Amazing, man. Very good. Wow.
You like it?
The flavors are all developing now,
Exactly.
you know, really, really quickly.
Nice.
Yeah, pretty good, eh?
Oh, durian.
And some durian. Yeah.
Because
Just a little
the
bit.
durian is already left.
Durian.
No need to cook so long. Let the
Very
salt-
soft. Yeah.
Now everyone get durian.
Very good, eh?
Very good. Very good.
Now เอาที่deep fry fish cake.
Nice.
This is very good. A lot of
Textures.
This one is make you younger.
Oh.
And reduce is people who have cholesterol. This one. Done. So this one here hot. Now we're gonna make big cake, and the next one we will do the crispy pork.
Crispy pork.
Yes. เอานั่นเลยนะ
So we'll leave this one here now.
That's
And-
quick.
and then just finish it off, yeah?
2 minutes done.
Yeah, that's finished. Oh, it's off the heat now. Finished?
Finished.
Yeah, okay. Beautiful. Lots of texture.
Honestly. Great.
A better life.
Mm.
All the people, all the them that don't have good education. But for me, education is about the experience you learning. I sharing. Yes, when we go to China or Korea.
there's more coming on.
อันนี้
that's
กิน
the-
อันนี้กิน
that's
อันนี้
the
เอาข้าวมาเลยเอาข้าวมาเลยอันนี้กินเจอปลาหมึกแล้วกินเลย
That's your favorite chef.
หนูเอาจานเปล่ามาให้หน่อยอันนี้กิน